How to fix Snapchat emojis. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from App Guide. In this guide video, I'll show you the way on how you can actually change or fix or check your Snapchat emojis. But before we get started with the video, if you are new to our channel, to make sure to leave a like and hit the subscribe button. And without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. So first of all, simply make sure you have either downloaded or updated the Snapchat app to the latest version. And you can do this by heading over to your device's respective app stores, in the search box typing in Snapchat, and go ahead and simply either download or update the app. Once you've updated the Snapchat app, you can go over and then open it up. Next thing you want to make sure is that you are logged into your account. After you are logged in, then you can basically see that this is how the interface is actually going to look like. Now all you have to do is just simply tap on a Bitmoji profile on the very top left hand side of the screen, and you will see this kind of interface. Once you see this kind of interface, tap on the gear icon which you see on the very top right hand side of the screen. As you tap on the gear icon on the top right hand side, you'll be able to see all these options. Now here you have to look for the option called Customize Emojis. As you can see over here, it says Customize Emojis. So just go ahead and select it. As you select it, you have the option to change emojis for your super BFF, your BFF, your besties, your BFs, your mutual besties, your mutual BFs, and as well as your Snapstreak. So if let's say you want to change the Snapstreak emoji, just select the option that says Snapstreak over here and select any of the other emojis. You can see a bunch of lists over here. You can simply select any of the one that is depending upon your own liking and taste. You can also change the emojis for mutual BFs as well, and you can come back and you can select for mutual besties similarly. And this is simply how you can change your Snapchat emoji and how you can fix it or how you can check it as well. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries, or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.